Hi everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of desserts with a super easy and incredibly delicious recipe. It's so simple and takes only 3 ingredients that are readily available and you might even already have on hand. It's creamy, dreamy, and takes minimal effort. So grab your Oreos and let's get started. The 3 ingredients we need are a 1.5 cups of heavy cream, whipping cream, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 8 Oreo cookies. Okay, now we're going to take our 8 Oreos and we're going to take all the cream out and put it in a microwavable dish or bowl. And then the Oreo itself we want to put into a zip-top bag. Okay, now we're going to take our Oreos in the zip-top bag and we're going to crush them with something heavy. I'm going to use a rolling pin. And we want fine crumbs, just like that. Now you've got the microwave filling very nice and soft. And in a mixing bowl now, we're using an electric mixer. And we're going to whip the cream. Now we're gradually going to add in the powdered sugar and the filling from the cookies. It's only about 1.5 tablespoons, but it adds that special sweetness that goes with Oreos. Now we're just going to keep whipping until we reach stiff peaks. Once you've got stiff peaks, then we're going to fold in the crushed cookie grounds and refrigerate for 30 minutes before you serve it. Now you can dip it right out of the bowl that you mixed it in, or you can put it in individual serving glasses. Keep any leftovers covered in a container in the refrigerator for the next time you want a treat. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. If you enjoyed this 3-ingredient Oreo mousse recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering treats. And remember, life is too short to skip dessert. So share this recipe with your fellow Oreo lovers and come back for more delicious recipes, foodie hacks, and kitchen magic. And as always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Until then, have fun in the kitchen.